Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Western Union Agent Portal's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Western Union's Agent Portal account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in wagentportal.westernunion.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Western Union Agent Portal's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Western Union Agent Portal's account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot your username or Forgot your password option. This is how you can log into your Western Union Agent Portal's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.